Welcome back again, and now let's solve this particular reasoning. Now here are three different sections are provided, and what should be this question mark kind of image? Now you need to build that pattern, right? You need to find that pattern, and once you find the pattern, you can build this series up to several level, right? That's what these questions usually ask from you, to see whether you can build that pattern in your mind or not. That's what we call as a reasoning, right? So what we can see here, so let's try to build the pattern. The pattern here is all of them are circle. Try to get this first thing first. So all of them are circle. So it's very pretty sure. So circle, 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 like this. Again circle, circle, circle. Three things are provided, so I'm writing three things like this. So in the first one, what we can get, the circle in a dot in the center, then a slightly large dot, then full dot, small dot, middle dot, small dot, middle dot, and this moderate dot, and fully covered, right? And after that, what we get? We get a middle. In this case, a middle, a small, and again blank, no full. So middle, small, and blank. So what we can see, a shuffling in this particular phase, right? Is shuffling in this first phase, small middle, but now it is middle small. But at the end, at the terminal part, what we have seen at the terminal part, we have seen there is change from full to blank, right? Right. And in the third case, once we have in this one full, then middle, moderate, then what should be this one? That's the question. That's the question. Whether it is going to be a dot or a blank, that's the major question. Because remind you, in all this case, in all of them, what we can find, that in all this case, that we find uh, a small dot, middle dot, right? Small dot, middle dot. So again middle dot is there. So obviously it should be a small dot, because in all of them, in first of all, there is a filled, then blank, then filled. Because in this first place, blank, filled, and filled, blank, and filled, so three things are also provided in this case. So what should be this one? Because in all of them, the one thing is common, and that is having a small dot and middle dot. So here we are having a middle dot. So what is remaining, but what we are not having here, is a small dot. So I think that should be the answer. It should be a small dot to get our answers, right? So small dot, or option 3, should be the correct answer for this question.